Today I will go to the airport to go to the beach. From home, we're going to the airport and it takes only something like 30 minutes. Let's go, guys. From Bangkok to Phuket, it's only take 1 hour and 30 minutes to arrive. When we're at the Phuket airport, we chose the company for our car rent, and we're going to Khao at Phang for our hotel. Maha, do you know where we're going?
No.
We're going to Kampun.
Yay.
So we'll go to Kampun right now, guys. Let's go. From Phuket, we travel nearly 80 kilometers, and let's look inside Kampun that we have arrived. Finally arrived after a long travel. Here's the view. You can see it while we are waiting for a room. Yes.
Where's our room?
I don't know. Now our personal butler is bringing us to our villa room. It was villa number 1. We have arrived to our villa. Now let's look at the villa.
And my brother was sleeping on my bed, and it was so funny. Beautiful, and there's like at the lobby there's a welcome drink which was really delicious, and there you get a cold cloth to wipe your face while you after you travel.
having a walk in Teva zones. It was really beautiful looking at the nature of Khao Phanga. Some sort of hammer to build this. I really want to try, yeah. Now let's go. Now let's go in. Bring us all these desserts for us to eat. Now let's eat, Napat.
I get this one again.
Okay.
This looks so tasty.
What's the cake? We were in a pool to play with the water. Alright, let's race in 3, 2, 1.
Look, I can do it like this. I can fly. Look, I can. Look. Look, I can.
While waiting for the sun to set, I played with the seawater with my dad, my mom, and my sister. It was a wonderful time. The next day, we're having a breakfast at the Thai restaurant in the hotel called Takola. It has a buffet in the breakfast, but we will order in the lunch and evening. So there was lots of things to choose from. On the second morning, we came here to have a walk on this wonderful beach. Let's go, guys. The sound is so soft.
Look what they found.
Oh, good. Guys, the sound is so soft. Subboard on. You know the subboard? So if you don't know, I'll put a picture right here. So that's the lake. We will play this afternoon, okay? Now let's go! Oh yeah, and in evening or afternoon we're going to play surfboard right there. or the private pool or the villa. Now let's go, guys. At the beach, and I saw a plastic bottle here in my hand,
on the beach and I pick it up to put it in the bin because it takes a long time for it to go like. Yeah. How do you get the What is it?
We're looking at the sunset at Khao again. It was super alluring. The dinner has arrived for us. We went into Takala again to order our dinner. Like, here's the food that we have ordered.
Look at the view. That's fun. I played with the soap and it was very relaxed and I love it.
When we're going home, we're on an airplane and we see a sunset again. When we have arrived to Suvarnabhumi airport, we were picking up our bags. After picking our bags, we used the service of the limousine by AOT.
Phuket now and Khao. It was so fun there. Now, if you want to watch my next video, you can subscribe and like this video. And and from the subscribe one, don't forget to hit the bell button. Now, for now guys, bye bye.